how to add the YouTube music now playing widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on empty spot. Next, we go down, then tap on widgets. From here, scroll down, then tap on YouTube music. After that, scroll down, then drag and drop the now playing widget and drop it onto the home screen. And that's it. Here we can make it smaller or wider. And tap on the play button will allow you to resume playing music or go to the next songs, go to the previous songs. You can like or dislike the song. And that's it. If you want to remove the widget, you can touch and hold onto that, then tap on the remove button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.